Hello and welcome to Futurenix, the future of AI and technology. If you're new here, you've just stepped into a world where we simplify the latest in artificial intelligence and show you how to use it in your daily life. Today, I'm excited to share with you 5 AI tools that can save you time, boost your productivity, and even make life more fun. Make sure to stick around until the end, because number 5 might surprise you. Tool 1, ChatGPT. First on the list is ChatGPT, an AI chatbot that can help you with almost anything. Need to draft an email? Summarize a document? Generate content ideas? ChatGPT has got your back. Think of it as your personal assistant who never sleeps. Tool 2, Grammarly. Next up is Grammarly. Whether you're a student, a professional, or even writing captions for social media, Grammarly uses AI to fix grammar mistakes, improve your writing style, and make you sound more professional instantly. Tool 3, Notion AI. Number 3 is Notion AI, perfect for organizing your life. It can help you create to-do lists, brainstorm ideas, manage projects, and even summarize your notes automatically. A true game changer for productivity lovers. Reel 4, DALL-E. At number 4, we have DALL-E, an AI image generator. Just type in what you want to see, and it creates unique, stunning pictures. Whether you need logos, thumbnails, or creative visuals, DALL-E can save you hours of design work. Tool 5, Quillbot. And finally, number 5 is Quillbot. This AI tool helps you rephrase and polish your writing. It's great for improving essays, scripts, or even creating fresh versions of your content. A powerful tool for creators and learners alike. And there you have it, 5 AI tools you should start using today. Which of these tools are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Futurenix, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next episode, where I'll be showing you 5 powerful AI tools every YouTuber needs for automation and growth. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future is not coming, it's already here at Futurenix.